Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a very interesting feature from WhatsApp that I realized that not everybody knows about, and I think it's very useful and really how to say, good to know when you have little time on your hands, but let's say your colleague, your friend or a family member is dragging their words and cannot actually like me right now, making big pauses in between their sentences, and you cannot wait until the end to hear their full message. So let me demonstrate. So guys, this is the message that I sent to myself. I'm not sure if it's going to be audible, but let's see. So now I'm going to speak very slowly and trying to catch up on my thoughts, which it sounds very slow, and I don't say basically much for these 20 something seconds. And if someone is in a hurry, it will get really frustrated with this kind of message. But WhatsApp has created this amazing thing where you can speed up your voice messages and like in the YouTube tutorial, listen to the message on a quicker pace. So let's see how it is. Here where is the play button, you can change the speed of the... So now I'm going... Actually, on the other side of the play button, you can change the speed of the received message from 1, which is the normal, to 2.5, a little bit faster, to 2 times speed, to the fastest mode. That's basically it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it is useful. So let me know in the comments if you knew about this before, and if you like this kind of videos, leave a like and subscribe for more interesting, helpful and productive tips and videos. Until the next time, bye.